أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم وفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters here, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Make use of the chat box, inshallah. Okay, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters. Barakallahu fiki. So, alhamdulillah, we enter the day 14th of this editing course, right? Almost 13 days have passed by, and alhamdulillah, we are heading on to the completions just 2 days more, and we will be actually done with this course, right? So, alhamdulillah. We have learned so much through this course, right, dear sisters and brothers? Alhamdulillah, we are into the 14th day, and we have learned so much to edit, so much to edit in the form of the videos, right? Subhanallah. So come on, let's begin today's session, the 14th day of our course, with the name of Allah, and we are going to rectify our intentions before we begin. We're going to make an intention that we are going to use this skill, use this ability for the sake of Allah, inshallah. So that, and also we can make a niyyah that we are going to earn rizq halal through this, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, dear sisters and brothers, please rectify and let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So I want you all to recite the name of Allah before we begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in our time, in our efforts, in our skill that we are learning. So seek help from Almighty Allah with this duas, and let's continue. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's continue on this journey of being more productive with our smartphones, inshallah. So here we are into the day 14 of this course, and can you all just type with me what you all have learned? Just can you all tell me what you all have learned in past 13 days, dear sisters and brothers? Just out of it, come on, type in the chat box. Let me see what would you tell this course as. Was it a comprehensive, intensive learning of everything that is required by a professional video editor? Yes, alhamdulillah, it was, right? So we have learned so much in past 14 days. Alhamdulillah. We have learned how to trim and split the videos. We have learned how to extract the audios. We have learned how to make a photo into a beautiful video. We have learned how to merge the videos, how to reconstruct the videos, how to just edit the photos beautifully, how to take out a scene of a video, how to take out a part of a video, how to take out the important points of a video, how to remove the noise of the video, how to add the echo to the video, how to add the transitions to the video, how to make a simple video into an excellent content. We have learned so much, alhamdulillah, in past 13 days, alhamdulillah. So we were into the training sessions from past 5 days, and alhamdulillah, this is the 5th day of our training sessions, right? So we were learning about how to make Quranic recitation videos, and we were learning how to source up the Quranic recitations, how to add Arabic fonts to it, English and Urdu translations to it. And alhamdulillah, we have learned how to source each and everything. And also we have learned whenever we see any short Islamic short reminder. For example, if we feel that some of the texts are very excellent, some of the wordings of whatever we say of the hadith or from the ulama or something like that, if you feel the wordings, the text is excellent, and we want the world to just look into this text and have get a short Islamic reminder, just get a reminder on the on the Islamic ways. So what we will do, we'll just put it in the form of a video, and we'll just create a short Islamic reminders, right? So this is the form that we had just learned in the previous sessions, and we also learned whiteboard hand animation, and also we learned how to create intro outro for the social icon videos of and also for your own social handles. Okay, you can just take some inspiration from the videos that are put out on the YouTube, as also you can just make your own intros in that way. Fine. If you want something like the letters to be written appearing as a logo or something like that. You have beautiful outros and intros, dear sisters and brothers, but you need a logo, perfect logo for that. Logo thing cannot be created in the KineMaster. Even if you want to create the logo, you can create it as such here itself, but you won't be having such designing features in here, right? Designing features to create the logos. For that, you just have to, inshallah, take up another course that is called as Design Like a Pro, inshallah, that is being launched by us. So come on, we have an intro, outro, and then social icon videos that we have selected, right? Alhamdulillah, we all have created it. And for your own brands, you can create it. For your own YouTube channels, if you're going to make, please create it for yourselves, inshallah. If you want, you can create it by yourselves. Okay. Then we have something called then we learned something called as how to scroll through the animations or something like that, scroll through the videos. Then yesterday in yesterday's class, we learned how to use the templates as well, right? And yesterday's class was majorly discussed about how to make the breaking news videos or something like the content, a news kind of content. If you want to put out, then we can just make it in form of a news, and also we can give a voiceover, and also we can make it as such. Fine. So this was also a topic that had to be discussed. Okay. So come on, we have Alhamdulillah. You all have sent your homework excellently. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah, you all have sent it excellently. So come on, now we are going to see, inshallah, in today's session, we are going to see how are you going to create the business promo videos, because this is the way the business promo videos are one such things, dear sisters and brothers, through which you are going to earn, inshallah. You can earn, or you may earn, you will earn, inshallah, in the future. If you have what you say, if you have some interest, like you are going to build a career in this, then you have to be very pro in this. I mean, you have to create your photos very beautifully, very excellently, and then inshallah you all can do it. But one important thing, dear sisters and brothers, this skill needs practice, right? After lots and lots of practice, please be sure that inshallah you have learned a very important skill. This is a skill that you have learned, dear sisters and brothers. You can make use of the skills anywhere after this. Okay, you can call yourself a professional video editor based on your outlook, based on the way you decide that I am perfect in this now. I have developed this skill in such a way that now I can take the projects, and I can make the projects, I can edit their projects. Okay, this is the skill that you're learning. You are to decide if you are in that stage that you're going to create the videos for others as well. Okay, remember this wordings, please. You are going to decide whether you are pro in it by yourself, because it is your skill that is counting. That is the way that you have held this up, learned this up, practicing this up, or something like that. Okay, this is a skill. It is not by based on the marks or something like that you're deciding that I can go for the working in this or a career in this. No, it is purely based on your outlook, your way of doing things, your way of editing the videos. If you have reached such a professional level, you can just put out to the world that I can edit. You can just do a freelancing, what we say in the freelancing, you'll just get some clients, inshallah, and those will ask you to they will ask you to create a video, and inshallah you can just create a video and give within 5 to 10 minutes. You can create a video and earn at least 1K for a single video of 30 seconds. Okay, that is worth the skill. This skill is really worth it, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me, it is worth it. Fine. So inshallah, in the last class, I'm going to tell you how you're going to make use of the skills, in which platforms you're going to make use of the skills, inshallah. In the technical sessions, I'm going to discuss with you all of that. Fine. So do not worry, inshallah. I'll just tell you. So I'll give you some hints wherever and how, in which way you can just practice the skill, inshallah. So come on, today's class is totally based on, I didn't forget to tell you what is today's class about. It is based on business promo videos, right? We told already to create the business promo videos. For example, you are going to have your own brand. For example, you're having a boutique, or you're having something like what we say, you're doing a reselling of the clothes or something like that. You're having an online store or something like that. How should you put it out to the world? You are going to just create a simple promo video. You are going to mention that we at whatever, for example, recently, what are past student, okay, someone had a boutique named Aksa in last class. Aksa, okay. What they just made use of was they took their brand logo and they just created a beautiful content. They just gave the gist of whatever they have there, something like that written on it, and they made a beautiful business promo videos, and that was excellent, right? So you all can take your own boutiques, or if you have anything in your family, for example, the supermarkets, for example, the stores or something like that, you can make it for your own family members and gift this videos, for example, for the start, okay, for the start, or even today you can just start with the practice and you can just give this out for them, fine. So one important thing now, inshallah, we're going to start a class with the business promo videos. I want you all to practice along with me, inshallah ta'ala. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. We are going to heading on to the day 14th of today's session, and I want you all to open up your kind master. Keep it ready for the class, inshallah. We are going to discuss very important topic for today's session, inshallah. So how are you going to make the business promo videos? That would be a topic for today's session, inshallah. So come on, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Open up the application that we were using from past 13 days. So Alhamdulillah. So we are into the into this application since 14 days, right? So heading on to our topic for today's session is nothing but business promo videos, right? So Alhamdulillah, we are into this, and I want you all to just create a new project. Okay, you can also find beautiful business promos from the home bar. You can just check it later. Fine. Now we are just going to make our own business promo videos. So create new project. You can just write the project name as promo. Fine. Okay, within a while, I'm just going to send you all a simple videos. Okay, just a moment. I'll share with you all some of the videos, some of the green screen content that you can use and make a beautiful, what we say, make a beautiful videos. Fine. Some of it I'll just show you how you're going to make some of the promos that I have made for various boutiques or something like that. I'll show it to you as well, inshallah. So let me see if I can use the aspect ratio of 16:9. This is fine for me. Okay, I'll share with you all of the content that is required, dear sisters and brothers. Come on. I'll forward with you all of the content that is needed. Done. Okay. I want you all to download this app, inshallah. Please download this. Done with the downloads?
Recording in progress.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So we are here with the probably have shared with you the green screen content as well as some of the videos. Some of the videos, yeah, I've shared the videos as well. I'll share just one or two videos that I have created for various channels with the content that was already there. Fine, probably this is not it. Okay, just a moment, please. Bismillah. This was one that I had created with a video that I had just given you. Fine. So just see how we can just create a beautiful content out of the green screen videos. Fine. Okay, last two videos that I had shared, it was just created by me, and it costed around 1K for each video. And what I did was, it was just excellent that you can just see. Okay, for now, if you see the green screen content that I had shared, the 4 videos above and last 2 videos, okay? The 4 videos above were totally based on the green screen that you can just get it from somewhere. Those are also developed by some of the graphic designing applications. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro. If you just go there, you will find all of this footage is there. Okay, in Adobe Premiere Pro, they in the designing also they actually take use of the templates that are mentioned, and they just add up the green screen wherever they want, and they give it for us to use. Okay, and when the designers have the stock templates available for them, and they design it and just send it. All of these is very easy. Fine, just remember all of the tasks are very easy. You just have to be interested in knowing the things. Fine. For example, this is a graphic designed thing that I've just shared with you. We have 2 ways of doing things. Okay, first way I'll show you. First way is nothing but you have to create your own business promos without use of the green screen. Own business promos. The second way is to create with the green screen. Okay, green screen. So I'll show you ones that I created without the green screen. Fine. Probably I didn't share it with you. Okay. I'll show you which I created without the green screen. Fine. I'll show you that, and then I'll show you which I created with the green screen. This the sub ones that I shared was with the green screen. Without the green screen, you would be surprised. You can create a wonderful content and excellent content, inshallah. So alhamdulillah. So some of my edits. Okay, these ones. Serious Resistant Brothers. This was for someone I created for their journal, a journal they just launched. So I created this for them. Okay. So did you all watch it? I just played their journal, first page of the journal, their journal. Okay. Age groups. This is nothing but just shown. Behind wallpaper should be somewhat interesting to watch. Okay. Okay. And this journal was played. They were launching a journal, so I had to create them a video. The feedbacks, just the photos that I had played, that was a feedback for their book. So this was some of the hand symbol that I had used, and this is how you can take. Was it interesting to watch? This is just a 30-second video or 49-second video, which can take you at least half an hour to edit, and you will inshallah get at least 1K out of it. It is not about earnings, dear sisters. It's just what we say. It's a kind of a passion. If you are passionate in doing things, you will feel like I want to do this. I want to do this. I can just do this. If you develop this habit of creating the content, creating the videos, what you can do is you feel like I want more videos to edit. I'll just edit some as a side job, and I can just do it as my work from home a kind of thing. Okay, you can just take the projects differently and just add it up. See here, the next video. This was totally like kind of slides. What I did, I created different videos and different formats, and then I added it up and just gave some transitions to it. Okay, 30 seconds video. Okay, this was some Ibadah store or something. No, thinknaturals.com. They actually asked me to create this for them. This was excellent project that I took up. See here. It's beautiful actually. You just have to have a beautiful backgrounds behind, that's all. You can just get all of those backgrounds, and this was a photo that they had provided, and just I gave some transitions to it, some effects. And this was actually given by them itself, all the natural ingredients and all. I just edited this, and the thing naturals.in that was just put by me. And this one is available on this one. Dear sisters and brothers. Okay, just see here. And then we just have to put on their products. Okay. I'm giving you an idea, but for creating this, we need a separate part for that. So I'm just giving you an idea how you all can create it. Okay. If you want, I can show it on the bigger screens here. For this one, what did I add? I added the layers. Yeah, contact here to inquire. Is kept it moving, and this is how we are created it. Fine. So take some examples from it. Inshallah, if you want to create, I can help you all. Fine. If you are going to create it for someone, if you are going to create it for, if you take up the projects like that in future, you can just ask my help. Inshallah, I'll help you out in that. How I'll explain to you how you're going to create it if you want. Inshallah, you can ask for my help. Inshallah, even if you're into the career of this or into this journey to the video editing. Inshallah, I can assist you anywhere, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, come on, see here the next one. Okay, this was about the signature courtier. I just wanted to create to them this one. All the stickers used here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, stickers. Inshallah, this is the collection of hijab. The background is something like moving. You can just download it from somewhere. For example, just 2-second moving wallpapers like that. And this one is in WhatsApp, link in description. Okay, that's all. Then imported hijab shipping from, this was all this one, rubber stamp, and then signature courtier. I just wrote this name also, the video edited by reminder on the side. Okay, this is how. Okay, I have several videos, probably I have deleted it all. I have put it almost all of the promotional videos on the RAR group, RAR, what we say, YouTube channel. Okay. So I just crop their logo and just increase it in size. And then this one, wipe up, wipe left, and something like that. This was what we say moderate kind of advertisement. Assured quality, reasonable rates. Okay, you have to be very consistent wherever you're going to put the things. We deliver across India and overseas. Okay, the heart wala, this one transition was is there over there. Contact details. These are all superb, right? This is a kind master animation. Just see there. Join us on WhatsApp for discounts and new arrivals. Okay, this also I just put my channel names to put it on the YouTube. Okay. Hope you all found it great to go with, right? This is the way you can just keep the business promotions. I'm telling you repeatedly, you just can make it. For this was for a supermarket that they wanted me to create. This is not up to the mark. I'll show you another one that I just did it with it. Actually, this was edited with a Canva. Okay, so it didn't went up to the mark. I'm telling you repeatedly, the Canva does not offer you the good video editing, but it offers you the best photo editing. Fine, just take it from me. The Canva application is best for the photo editors. Inshallah, if you're going into the photo editing with the Canva, you will be surprised that you will edit the photos in such an excellent way. Right? For example, the things that you see, dear sisters and brothers, the presentations that you see, everything are edited with Canva. Fine. So even if you want me to show some of the examples with the canvas that I have, see all of these are edited with the canvas. The reminder after reminder, all of the images. The Canva application, I have already told you, dear sisters and brothers, the design like a pro. We are going to launch the course. Even this flyer was edited with the Canva, dear sisters and brothers. The design like a pro will just we are just launching the new course named Design Like a Pro. So inshallah, even these things were edited with Canva. This one more often. So here we have so many edits with the Canva. We'll show that later, but we have had something like we were learning or going to see about some of the business promos, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So how are you finding this business promos so far? You can just create by your own, right? Inshallah. So, but you have to have some kind of what like you just have to spend some time with this and also your creativity into it. Okay, you have to put in your creativity into it. You have to have suitable backgrounds. Importantly, you have to put it in the form that you're going to shape it up in such a way that it should be a good end product to watch. Okay, you have to master it so well so that the someone who is watching the content should feel like it's excellent. Okay, I have some more. For example, yes, this was for the Ibadah store. Okay, and this was done excellently. Okay, I have applied the stickers there. Fine, there's something that is appearing there. It is the stickers that is behind. And this one, okay, this one is from the stickers also. Search bar. This is the transition. Create 30 seconds videos. I just created each, just put it up all along. Okay, for each I created one video. Okay, just remember, for each I created one video, and then I put it out. Then that's nothing, it's just the transition that I applied. Okay, just 10 second videos for each you have to create and then put it out so that people can watch. Okay, this was a bit different. Okay, that's totally. You can make use of the sticker animation, dear sisters and brothers. So this was excellent here. Even I've written the video edited by, and also this. Okay, the stickers were taken from somewhere for the clearance sale. You have to match your content perfectly. This was by the KINEMASTER, KINEMASTER, KINEMASTER. So Alhamdulillah, you all can create this stuff beautifully. Okay, done. Few more examples if you want, I can give you, but I will just what we say, edit a gist out of it. Okay, I'll just edit one to two phases out of it. Okay, this was their logo that they had. We aim at providing halal and safe products for Ummah. You can just take over whichever you want. We have cosmetics. Okay, this totally has the stickers in it, right? Okay. Okay. One important aspect I want to give you, sisters and brothers, there is an application named as text on what we say text animation. Okay, text animation. You can take the help of that application, text animation, on the Google Play Store, on the Google Play Store, or even on the App Store they have, to create beautiful text. Okay, to Google Play Store. So what I do is I take that with the Google Play Store, with the green screen I take, also with the wallpapers I can take, and then I'll put it up here. They are just offer 3-second videos or 4-second videos, text animation. Whatever text you want, put it there, and you can just download it up and just put it on your KineMaster and edit it beautifully. So legend text animation, and also logo animation. Yes, probably it is called as legend logo and text animation. They will also provide you with the beautiful wallpapers. This is referral. Okay, just go and refer this application. You will be able to understand how this business promos videos that I just showed were made. And over there, you can just create 3-second videos. Put just whatever text you want. For example, if you're going to have text like this with a wallpaper, and then you just can borrow it up, but the KineMaster will be your base. Okay, your base. Without KineMaster, you are not going to do any editing, because any of the applications apart from this, dear sisters, do not offer you anything for free. They do not offer you anything for free. For example, even if you want to trim a content, they will ask you for payment. Okay, they'll ask you for payment, only then you have to edit it. So we actually do not prefer using other applications. I have a paid version of KineMaster. That's different, because I use the paid version of KineMaster because I want to edit my videos professionally. But you all have a mod version of the KineMaster, inshallah. You can, so you don't have to buy it for now, because you are just the students now. When you feel that you are into the pro level, you can just purchase the premium contents that you want. Fine. So Alhamdulillah, I'll just show you the gist whatever we can create for now. I'll just take one image assets. I'll just show you 1 or 2 lines what you can create for the business promo. I'll take this one. Okay. And we'll just apply some clip graphics so that it should seem like we are having a beautiful, okay, we have some clip graphics named as on sale. Okay, this will not match this, probably. No, this won't match this. So what I'll do is, for this photo, I'll just put something else, some other photo. I'll just replace this with some other photo, because I just need a beautiful photo for this one. Okay, let this be the photo. Okay, so now, dear sisters and brothers, this would be the excellent choice. Now you just have to, for example, this is a store named, okay, for example, if I am going to give a promo for my upcoming, what we say, upcoming course. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, let me just change the colors of the text. Let it be something like this. Okay, because in that I had something like this color, design like a pro, right? The upcoming course flyer I'm creating. Okay, business promotion I'm doing for that. So design like a pro, like a pro. This would be our heading. Okay, if I want, I can just change the text here. Design like a pro. Let me change the text styling. How to change the text styling? Do you all know? You just have to go to this A and change the text styling. Okay, so whichever you want, you can just give. It's regular. Okay, design like a pro. Okay, in the gift box they have given this. Then you can just mention some of this here. This suits well for the someone that is having the, what we say, the grocery store. Okay, because they have told you about the sales and what. You can just make use of whichever you want. Okay, design like a for. If I want to give a text like this, 4 features I'll give. What 4 features I'll give is, learn photo editing excellently, learn learn to design anything. Okay, this next one, best for teachers. Best for teachers. Yes, you will be able to prepare the presentation slides. So it's best for the teachers. And also best for the students to take up the notes. Students, if they have something like, if they want to create the beautiful presentation slides for their what we say, for their seminars or something like that, for seminars or something like that, just the words that I'm giving. I do not have any kind of written source that I can just refer to now. I'll give some of the gist what I can. Best for students and also for the business persons. What is the brand owners and something like that. Brands as well. Best for students and brands. And business brands or something like that. Businessmen, businesses. Okay, businesses would be fine. Okay. So in this way, design like a pro, learn to design anything. So I just can mention there, there's something else mentioned here. This enter the text for the last two texts here. Which two texts here, dear sisters and brothers? It is here. Something they have cut it out and this they have placed. Okay, so the next title text I can give it as the Canva worth rupees 3999 is being charged only with the zero fee because we are just going giving it for the free for the pro users for these students. Okay, so then enter the text here using an application named Canva, using Canva APK, Canva application. So this is here. Okay, this is just a small gist I'm giving you. You can create the business promo in this way, dear sisters and brothers. That's all. If I want to create in different ways, I'll show you by duplicating it. Just see, I duplicate it 10 times. I'll just create it in different way if I want. Let me duplicate it 4 times. Okay. Now I'll just change the clip graphics for it. That's all. This first clip graphics was this one. If I want, I can play my flyer instead of this, dear sisters and brothers. Okay. What I'll do is to see here. I'll just play the flyer instead of this behind. Fine. So flyer should be behind. Fine. So for that, pan and zoom should be necessary, right? Yeah, pay that first. Let me just play this one. This was created by Canva. Okay, this flyer was created by Canva. Created on Canva. So I just want you all to, inshallah, be ready to create best and excellent content with this application, inshallah. If you have joined, that's well and good. If not joined, no problem. Because we have limited seats, inshallah. We'll see after Ramadan if we can launch again. Okay. So, okay, this would be great to go with, right? We are just playing the flyer behind and it's here. So you can just do it in this way as well. Fine. Now, if you want just to change the clip graphics, change the clip graphics, but because everything remains same, change it. If you want to make it appear from this side, make it appear from this side. And also this one. Learn to design anything, best for teachers, best for students. Okay. Okay. And even something like this. Okay. Even for this one, I can give the feel like this one. Clip graphics, because all of these clip graphics are available on just the clip graphics, and you do not have to have anything more here. Okay, you just can change the text if you want. That's all. That will keep playing with your flyer if you want. If you put the flyer behind, it will keep playing with that. Fine. So you can just make it in your own ways. For example, the way I made it. For example, you just can insert some stickers and make it for each background, for each covering. For example, if you have, okay, I'll just show you with one of it. If I have an image asset, these are the different examples I'm giving you, dear sisters and brothers. You need not follow, like, you should not be like this one only I will take and do. No problem. You can do it in any ways that you want. It is totally your creativity. Okay. I'm not going into like creating an entire thing, but I'm teaching you the gist how you can create each and every each and every way. So you have hundreds of ways to create one business promo video. Fine. So Alhamdulillah. So keep good image assets. Okay, keep good image assets. That would be very excellent choice for you all. Fine. So this was the way you created with the clip graphics, and you also have some clip graphics like this, dear sisters and brothers. What we say, I'll just show you some of the clip graphics that are like the fashion e-magazine for the magazines or something like that. See here in this format. I can just mention it in this way. Okay, this design like a pro has this one, this one, this one. Okay, I can show you with this, just the flyer only. For the flyer only. Change the clip graphics and see. Trendy magazine kind of businesses in this way. they'll make help for this one in this way. Okay, if you are not well to do with that one, you can just make it appear in something like this one. Okay, but you have to do it in the device mockup. If you want to give it, you have to pan and zoom it perfectly, like it should be entirely inside that. So make it smaller. Let me see if it is perfect. No, again pan and zoom smaller, like this. It should be kind of fixed perfectly inside. See, it will be in this way. You can just minimize it further so that it will be fixing inside the this one. Or if you want, you can just fix it in any way you want. So come on, you all can try it out with the with your own what we say device mockups. Also, you can do and create the flyers. You have probably have seen on some of the major YouTube channels where they just put up there. If you want, just subscribe to our channel with this device mockups. You can make use of this one for that those promos. Okay, those are also the promos when they say that they are going to have something, that is also a promo. So see here, design like a pro. This one will help you. Okay, I was going to show you this one. This is called as presentation. Okay, this is the way you can just present the flyers in beautiful way. Fine. This is very helpful. Even I used it some of the flyers, some of the business promos. This clip graphic named as the presentation. Okay, in the clip graphics, move to the presentation, you will find it there. First, let me just pan and zoom it perfectly like this. Okay, this one for first start, this one for end. Remember, whenever you're going to apply the pan and zoom, make it perfect. Okay, so now you are having the first pan and zoom, the first option. Okay, and the first option, first presentation option, and the clip graphics. Okay, you have the first presentation option in which they are just telling you learn to design anything. Okay, this is the first presentation, you just give it for the first one. Okay, then after this you duplicate this up and then apply the new one. Okay, so what you do is for the flyer, for the time being, for the start, from the start till you do not give it for entire thing, you can just give it till here. Okay, you can make use of this flyer itself and do the business promo, create the business promo for the class. Okay, because we are designing something now. Or if you do not want, please do it for your own whichever you want, whichever flyers you have. You can take the flyers from the Google, please, and just do create a flyer out of it. So you are just going into the clip graphics and editing a beautiful business promos. In the clip graphics you have something called as presentation. Okay, in the clip graphics there is something called as now presenting. Okay, and that you will find beautiful flyers to look into. So I'll duplicate this up. You have duplication. In the first flyer, what I showed till here itself. Okay. And the second flyer, let me start from here and to a bit downwards. Okay, like this. And in second, we have to mention some of the this one. So in the now presenting, we just like to introduce something. Okay. In the introduction, you just can give. You have so many words to give. You can write in a entire text here. Find entire text here. For example, probably I have something in the clipboard or not. If it's not there, that's fine. Okay, here it is. You can write the entire text, but probably it won't take it all inside this one. No, no, it cannot take it all because it's all in the. Okay, good. You can just put up whatever is important. Okay, that's all. Select all. What will you learn? Let me see whether it will take this much. Yes, it will take this much. See here, what will you learn? It will take at least the 10 lines. Okay, or 10 lines. What will you learn in the course? You can give the gist out of it. Okay, you can do it in your own ways, dear sisters and brothers. It's all up to you. Fine. So this is the second way. And then you just have to duplicate it again. This is the presentation slides. Okay, you all can make this the presentation slides for your own projects also, the videos that you're presenting for your own projects also. Okay, with graphics for your school projects, you can make use of this one. See here, in this way you can just give some points, important points on the left side, and this side your video clips playing, and at the end, if you want, contact here for more info, and you just can give this one contact details, where you have to come, where you have to call, and which is their official site. You can just give it all here. Fine. So this is the way you can just create a beautiful business promo without even giving your 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, within 5 minutes you can create a business promo, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me. Inshallah, you all can do this. You all will do this. You all will be able to do this, inshallah, if you are into the a career through this, or if you are if you have a something like I want to do this, you will do it this inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me inshallah. So come on, this was the first way that you can design by your own. Okay, by your own text, by your own stickers, apply your own stickers, apply your own flyers, make your own flyers first. What I used to do, we just made a blank video. Okay, for example, the video that I had shared with you, dear sisters and brothers, have you all seen the video that I had just shared with you? It was a video which was created on the white screen. Fine, I created with the KineMaster only, everything is the KineMaster only, and then I applied a green screen content to it. Fine, it was probably created in 2021. So I was actually at the verge of my career there. I was starting everything, video editing there, and I was creating all of the video content with the KineMaster over there. Fine. So this way you can just start off with this one. Okay. So for example, I'll give you what you can start with creating and then how you have to create it beautifully. Fine. So just a moment, inshallah. This is done. This is the way you can just create it by your own. Okay, by your own, by writing each and everything, by writing the content, taking the content and writing it. Okay, if the business promos, if you create, they will give you the content. Okay, please remember, they will give you the content, they will provide you all of the content. Even if they do not provide it, you can just get it from the you can just get it from the chat gpt. Okay, for example, if you just put it like this one you want for the business promo of the stores, the couture stores, the boutique or something like that, they'll give you this one, the what we say, some few lines, and then you can just put it out in your own videos and make a beautiful content and just give it. Fine. It just takes you 30 minutes. Take it from it, 30 minutes you can just spend to make some beautiful content, and that you will be like amazed. I created this video and this is being played so much and so in so many places. Okay, that would be a great thing, right? Actually, that will be used for the business promotion, right? They will actually make use of the content that you gave for promoting their content. That's it, right? So for promoting and earning through this, and they are going to earn the rizq halal through this inshallah. So that would be your what we say, your this to this it's totally your contribution to them, right? So alhamdulillah. Now let me just show you how you're going to create from the green screen. Okay, now the green screen videos I just shared with you all, I want you all to put it up in the base. Yes, not in the base, as a layer, please. Okay, put it as a layer, come on. So the video that I have shared, this is the 33-second video that I had shared, and I also shared the final video. How was the final outlook of that video after I created with the some other for the mobile doc, someone with the supermarket. Okay, so I just created with them. It was a business promo. So this is, let me just do it as a layer. Okay, for the base, let me just change the base, delete the base. Let me just apply the black color. Usually we take black color as a base. Alhamdulillah. So let me fill it all. Okay. So the next thing, chroma key. How to key out the color? Green color. I'm enable it up. Okay, we are just showing with this flyer only for today, inshallah, because we have not much time left. So come on, please concentrate. So toggle these two buttons so that you're going to make it more opaque and more, what we say, more perfect without any green screen left out. Okay. Come on, dear sisters and brothers. Be more specific when you're creating the content, inshallah. Okay. Is it perfectly aligned? Yes. It should not like the color should fade out after some time. No. It should be like perfect everywhere. No green should appear anywhere. Okay, this is fine for now. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to play a video behind. For example, if you have a videos that you have created, like for example, if you have a courtier or something like that, you can play the video for them also. Like let me see if I have something like that in the WhatsApp images. Okay, this was a homework flyer. We can play the homework flyer itself inside. So how would you play that? It is nothing but you're sending it behind, sending it backwards, sending backwards. Fine. Okay. and we are going to send it, we are going to perfectly align it with this one. Fine, we're going to perfectly align it with this one. So how are you going to do this? I want you all to take this as a homework, inshallah. Please do this alignment perfectly with the screen. Fine, perfectly with the screen. When it is moving, put it an animation and make it move and something like that. Fine, so let me, okay, this would be not that fine. If I want, I will take a what I say, let me take a flyer of my own instead, because it will be a lengthy flyer and we can just make it move anywhere and somewhere. Right, so let's see if we have some WhatsApp images. Do we have something like design like a pro here? Okay, just a moment, inshallah. Okay, it's here. Let me make this flyer move inside this, and we are going to give it as an business promo. Okay, today's business promo project we have done with creating a promo for this one. Okay, so let me just send it to back. Okay, when we play this up, it is like this. Okay, okay. When it appears inside, dear sisters and brothers, make it in such a way that it should be perfectly aligned. Fine. So it is here. It is somewhat in a bend manner, right? Make it a bit bend. Fine, not so much, not so much. And if you want, give it a small cropping here. Later you can improve, because for now we just want to adjust it inside the screen. So we can just make beautiful croppings and then we can just go into the deep depth. Okay, for now let this be the base. Okay, now you have to animate this along with the backward, what we say, along with the green screen content. Come on, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We are going to start off. Just see here, when it opens up, this should appear. Now, what happens is it should actually move with the content that is here. Come on, this is actual activity that we're doing today. Fine. Come on. How are we going to move it in such a way that it should move with the screen, with the, what we say, with the green screen? What is the key tool, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, please type. It is the animation key. Okay, with the animation key, you're going to do this. Fine. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Animation key. Come on, increase it somewhere. Increase it somewhere. Okay, make it properly aligned. Move it here, see here. When it is moving here, so I want you all to just enlarge this timeline. Okay, pinch your two fingers outside, and this timeline will be enlarged by itself. Okay, at this position, what is happening? It's moving. It's moving towards. It's bending itself. Okay, now let me just increase its size a bit. Okay, you can just do it with your two fingers on the frame. Fine, two fingers on the frame. Do it with your two fingers on the frame. Okay, let me move further. Ekdam, what happened? It just turned. It's turned itself like this. Okay, move it with your two fingers. Pinch your fingers on the screen and enlarge it up. Okay, enlarge it up. Done. Move again. Again, it's going what we say, upwards. Okay, then you know something. You have to move this up. I mean, now it was like this. I let me just move it. Let me just show it like it's moving till here. Now let me move it further, a bit further more. Okay, let me just turn it here. Okay, what I'm just using the animation. The plus key is coming by itself because I just applied one plus key and then it comes by itself. Okay, then I'm going to move a bit further. It's turning itself. It's turning itself. Okay, turn with your two hands. Come on, do it. Come on, make it happen, dear sisters and brothers. Oh, the board is with you, the timeline is with you, the screen is with you, the fingers are here. Just with the fingers, you're doing all of the works. Amazing task. Come on. Okay. You can further move it upwards. Okay. If you have the flyers, any flyers, take any flyers from your any WhatsApp images if you want. Take anything. Do not worry. You do not have to create this itself. Never told that you're going to create this. Okay. Prop. I'll just make it big now because I want the down part now. Because just to ease up my task, I did remove the cropping. Okay, so let me at each position you have to give it perfectly. Okay, but I did not give it perfectly probably because I'm not moving it right. You do it with the two fingers. There is also rotation. I'm doing it with my two fingers. Okay, not with the rotation something that is upwards. The rotation key. I'm just doing it with my 2 fingers here. You can just make use of the rotation key. Okay, I'm just pinching on the screen and doing this task, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, let me just enlarge this up and let me just move this up like this. Okay. Okay, it's moving down now. Let me just make it move down like with that. Fine. It looks superb if it moves down with that. Fine. And then what happened was, let me just create a split here like this. And now at this position, it should be here by now. Okay. It should be kind of here. Okay. Let it open up. If you want, you can just give it a tilt beforehand like this. When it's opening up, let me just give it a bigger look. Okay, it might not seem perfect now, but it will seem perfect if you had applied some of the, what we say, some of the corner pens, right? So inshallah, just look into it if you can, if possible. Just create a beautiful content out of it. Okay. This is not perfectly aligned. So what you can do is you have to do it in this way. Something like this. Even if it's like this, no problem. Let's see how it gets back to your way of doing things. It's just perfectly and purely your way. I'll show you some of the student edits, inshallah. They have done it excellently. Some of the student flyers that I liked a lot. But where, inshallah, I'll just share it with you, or I'll share it here. You can just corner pin it, or you can just apply it in any way. If it is white background, it looks perfect with the screen. And if it is a video playing behind, that looks amazing. Fine. And even you can make this photo as a video by adding the clip graphics, right? Okay, you can just turn these photos and videos into the photos. Again, you just can make use of all of this, but I do not have that much time to do it all, dear sisters. Okay, so this much is enough for now. Fine. Then here I'll move and I'll just make it move in this way. Okay, this one is a good addition where they have given a maximized screen. You can just move it all inside the screen. If you want, you can make it move from start to the end again, something like that. Fine, this much is enough for now. I'll show you with some of the clip graphics. If you want to apply with this one, you can just apply it. Okay, you have some of the clip graphics. For the layers, you will not have the clip graphics, right? We just forgot to mention that, because for the layers you won't be having the clip graphics. If it was for the what we say base, then it would have been okay to apply the clip graphics. But if not, you can just apply it for this one. Now just look into the video how it is going in. Yeah, so that's playing excellently, right? Yes, dear sisters and brothers, alhamdulillah, it's playing excellently. You can do it in your own ways. Fine. It actually rotated off also. I did not know whether I made it rotate. Okay, this is how you can make your own flyers within any time. Right? At the end, you just can mention whatever, wherever you are, whatever the things you want to create there. And that's all. Hope you all found it great to go with, right? The thing that is here is with the green animation, green screen is the animation, how well you will animate the content. Okay. Please remember totally something called as how well will you animate the content. Fine. Have you all understood how we are going to do this? Alhamdulillah. So come on, I'll just show you a few of the flyers the students have edited. Let me see if it is here. Not here. So this was edited by a student and they did it excellently. Alhamdulillah. This was a student made. Actually, I think here they have taken three photos. Yes, this one. See how beautifully the animation worked. Okay, then this the photos were cropped and taken separately like this. You can do it in your own business promos. For example, if you're going to do it for the boutique, just do it in your own ways. If you have a flyer of them, just put it in different ways. Two sides you can just exhibit there, whatever they have, something like that. This is closed up in this way. It was beautiful, right? Okay. This just takes your 15 to 20 minutes, sisters. Take it from me, it is worth it. Okay. And even I told you already, the one that I had sent, it was created for a supermarket. Fine. You all can create that stuff excellently, inshallah. So this was the class for today, dear sisters and brothers. So hopefully you all found it excellent to go with. This was the promo that I had created for them, and the video that is behind is a background video that I had created already. It was a video, fine. It was not a photo. It was a video that was created. We created beforehand, and then we just shared it out. Okay. So then we have something called as, even in this way we can create that stuff. Okay, I shared with you the different ways. And also this was also a business promo. Can you all just see this promo? I just created it for them, for a business, and it is nothing but it was what we say. It was matching with some content, like they wanted it with the background sound that they had, and they wanted to match it with the content that was playing up. Okay. This was actually the animation. What did I do it here? Just as the animation. Fine. Call me when you want, call me when you need. And there's something like, okay, this is a video created on KineMaster. Fine. Okay, this is it. So you just can create the 30-second videos, 40-second videos for any firms or something like that. Wherever you get clients from, you can just create it for them, inshallah. So this was a class for today, dear sisters and brothers. Hopefully you all found it beneficial. Inshallah, I want to see the beautiful business flyers created by you all, inshallah. Let me see after the class how many of you will share the beautiful flyers created, inshallah. So come on, dear sisters and brothers. Hopefully you all found it beneficial. Hopefully it will be beneficial, inshallah, if you all are going to put up something for any firm or any clients or something like that, inshallah. So if you have any doubts, you can just ping me, and inshallah I'll reply to all of your doubts. And if you have, and this would be our homework for tomorrow, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Share a business promo video with a flyer or with a text or with a green screen keyed out video, or you can edit your own video using the stickers and clip graphics. Okay. I have given you some of the videos for the example. You can just take an example, take any business flyer video, wherever flyer you want, you can create whichever you want, at least one out of all of it, what I have shared. You can just create one and share it with me, inshallah. So come on, this is the homework for today's session, and inshallah we are going to just end today's session with the name of Allah. And also, inshallah, we're going to begin tomorrow's class. Tomorrow would be something very interesting, inshallah. Tomorrow we'll create some other videos as well. Okay. And in the last class on this day 16, we are going to see the all of the rest left out topics. And inshallah, we are going to heading towards the end of this course, right? Alhamdulillah. So come on, we just have last 2 days with the spirit of learning more, inshallah. Please be gathered together. Let's all be gathered together for tomorrow's session as well, inshallah. So take care of yourselves, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. So inshallah, if okay, we will see everything in tomorrow's session. Jazakumullah khairan, dear sisters and brothers. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.